have to be perfect. You know, it's not like you're sending a rocket into space, but do the best you can. There is a language of symbols and signs that we use so that everybody can understand one another. The most important mark is this one. And we call this the marriage mark. So all I really want before I'm going to check it with the straight edge is to be able to take a full width, full length shaving all the way across. Should take about 3 overlapping strokes. And then I'm going to take all the downward pressure off. So I want to get it close, but I don't want to cut the bench. So that they will be in this same relationship.
Das 2 quasi, die wir getragig machen, nur die anderen 3.
Okay, so these two go together. So these two So anytime you have end grain exposed, you want to put the glue on that first. Before you glue up, you need to do a dry fit, just to make sure everything goes together. Normally, I don't use yellow glue in my shop. I use Hide glue, liquid Hide or hot Hide.
Soll ich die anmachen? Dann kannst du es ruhig halten.
You got it. If you were trying to make a short rip in this thin material, it would chatter up and down. It would, especially if it got any thinner than this. But by putting it here, you can, it'll get supported. Now remember, this is with a push stroke. So if you have a coping saw, this is where I do my scroll work. A lot of people end up, eating lunch on it.
I want to see your war face.